Okay, so let's continue the classified types of variable. So we have length, height. Okay, so of course this is numbers, so that's why we write down quantitative. Can you use decimal places to describe length? Of course it's yes, so that's why you write continuous. Okay, and then the next part is that we have height, so that's why we would like to quantitative, okay, and then continuous. Levels of satisfactions, because those are the English wording, so high, medium, low levels of satisfaction, so which means that you will have qualitative. Sex, okay, male and female, of course, is qualitative. And then temperatures, we can use numbers to describe, so that's why you can say like quantitative. So make sure that spelling count the mark, so please spell it correctly. 串字計分，所以就串啱啦，記得。Studying time, of course, is quantitative and continuous. That's all for question number 3, and then you can turn back to the page 5. So page 5, we have the last part for chapter 1. So this is probably levels of measurements, and then which we have 4 types of level of measurement, because those are the data that can be classified according to the level of measurements， 即係用唔同嘅角度去量度一啲嘅資料。Okay, so which we have 4 types of level of measurements. Here says to be 3, but it should be 4. Why? Because the first one you can see is highlight is nominal level. The second is ordinal level, so we rewrite the second ordinal level. And then for next numerical data, which you can further classify it into 2 parts. Number 3, we can write ratio. Number 4, we can write as interval. For each of them, what does it mean? I will talk about it right now. So 1.58 numerical data, and then you can actually write down the nominal level. Okay, so what does it mean is the data categories have no logical order, so you just stick on those I talked about it. Okay, no need to read the words one by one. Okay, data categories have no logical order, 冇次序之分。OK， 淨係 focus 我教嗰啲句子啊、字啊、間嘅嗰啲得㗎啦。OK， so what does it mean is if like first example we have individual classified to be by race， 即係種族。OK， so countries。Okay, the countries. Okay, 即係種族。And for countries, we cannot say Chinese must be the first, white must be the last, or elsewhere. So we don't have any orders. And for the second one, we have the male. Okay, so male and female. We cannot say male must be the first, female must be the second. So that's why the second example is that sex. Example 3 is religious affiliations, and then we cannot say Christians, Buddhism, some things in which we have no logical order. So that's why race, sex, and religious affiliations are all at nominal level, 冇次序之分. Okay, so take a look for a second part. We have the page number 6. So the page number 6 is in fact the ordinal level. So the data's classifications are mutually exclusive and exhaustive, but the most important is just like you highlight the second sentence, the categories are ranked or ordered according to the particular trails they process. 有次序之分嘅意思 the orders or ranked. Okay, I give you one example is in your notes, so which you can see satisfactions of services. When you go to travel to Thailand or maybe to India, so you will go maybe Cathay Pacific, and then they are rank that after the surface very satisfied, neutral, dissatisfied, and strongly dissatisfied. Are they in order? Of course should be yes, because you can see very satisfied until dissatisfied. Okay, so this is one of the example for ordinal level. 有次序之分嘅資料。Okay, another example is about your exam grading. Okay, so the exam grades include A, B, C, D, and F. Okay, so your grading should be A, B, C, D, and F, but particularly it is ranked from the highest marks to the lowest marks, so they are in orders. Okay, so exam grading should be ordinal level, right? Okay, so this is the first two levels.